Gonna get stuck. Look how deep it is. So I told Dylan I didn't want to drive through this because he showed up randomly. Now he's driving through. We're gonna get stuck and you're gonna wreck my cameras. Yes, we are, dude. It's alright, just stop, just stop. Dude, they're all stuck. Like, that's exactly where you get stuck because it dips down lower. Underneath the bridges. Bro, please, we're gonna have to sit here. Look at, they're waving stop.
Who's saying that?
So what those guys sitting down over there said is that what happens is people can drive through it, but once you lose momentum and the waves behind you crash forward, is when it seizes your engine up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dude, you really just tried to drive through.